Hello everyone. Welcome to Know About PPC YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss about migrating from Universal Analytics UA to Google Analytics, GA4. So, if you're ready to try out the new era of analytics, let's get started. Before we get started, let's briefly understand Google Analytics, GA4. GA4 is the latest version of Google Analytics, focusing on event-driven data collection and providing a more holistic view of user interactions across multiple devices and platforms. Now, let's jump into the migration process itself. Here are the steps to successfully migrate from UA to GA4. Set up Assistant to create a GA4 property and copy and paste the Google tag code manually to your website or CMS sites like WordPress, Shopify, or by using the Google Tag Manager tool. After you installed the code, check the Google Tag Assistance tool whether you properly installed it or not. Lastly, use the debug view option to check out the events or user counts in real time. If you're already using Google Analytics, you will see this admin area on Settings. Now, I'm in one of my demo accounts admin areas, and we can see three columns over here: the account column on the left, the property column in the middle, and the view column on the right. Here we have two options to upgrade. One is create a new property and another is GA4 Setup Assistant. You can either use one of these. Here you can see I had already connected one GA4 account and connected with this account. Now, let's open a GA4 property which created already to see the difference between UA and GA4. Here we can see there are only two columns in the admin area. There is an account column and a property column which tells us we're in at a GA4 property. But what we saw in UA account is three columns. But GA4 has two columns. So that's the difference. We will not see view column in GA4. First, you have to understand that UA and GA4 are completely different property. Migrating your old data to GA4 is not currently possible. Old data remains in the UA property while GA4 property only collects data going forward. To see historical data, use the reports in your UA property. Instead of using the Setup Assistant to create a new GA4 property, I prefer to make a new property at the top of the property column. Here, I am filling in some demo name, but you should need to enter your business name in this field. Then select your reporting time zone and then select your currency, and don't need to enable this since we have a UA account already. Now click Next. On the next tab, we see Industry and Business Size. Select your industry category and choose your company size on those options and then click Next. On the Another tab, choose your business objectives that are personalized to your business. It's up to you. What's the target on your business, like generate leads, drive sales, or improving brand awareness? Once filled, click on Create. On the last tab, we need to choose a platform where you will be collecting data. Now we are here to set up data collection for your website. So, let's select Web now and enter the URL of your website and name of your website. Here you see Enhanced Measurement option. By enabling these options for your web data, your Google Analytics tag starts sending events like page views, scrolls, clicks, and so on. By default, it's all enabled, so close this and click Create Stream bottom. Here you see that data collection is not active yet, so we need to install tags to our website correctly. 3 ways we can set up our tags. One is through manually place our GA4 code to the website. If you click View Tag Instructions, you can copy and paste this code inside of the head tag on your static site or dynamic site like WordPress. Don't add more than one Google tag to each page. I will show you how to add this manually to website on upcoming section. And another one is Measurement ID. If you are using popular content management or e-commerce platform, then there's a chance that they already have a built-in Google Analytics. In that case, just copy this measurement ID and paste it on those popular platforms. Also, we can use this to configure as new GA4 tag in Google Tag Manager. Don't worry, I will guide you how to configure GTM platform on upcoming section. First, we can see how to set up the GA4 tag code on WordPress by using plugin. Before that, we should install one additional custom plugin to place the code without edit your theme PHP file. Go to Plugins. And then click Add New Plugin. And then type header and footer on keyword search. WP Code plugin will show up on top, click Install and then Activate. It will be listed on your installed plugins once activated. Go to Code Snippets and click Header and Footer. Here you see the header section. Copy our Google tag code from GA4 Analytics and paste in header section and click Saves Changes button. Now, we have successfully installed the Google tag code on WordPress website. I will place the WP Code plugin on description below, use that and install it on your WordPress platform too. Another way, we are going to place the Google tag code on static website inside the head of coding. Scroll down and find head close tag, place the Google tag code on above the closed head tag, and check the code is placed properly or not, and then click Save. Now, we have successfully installed the Google tag code on static website too. If you would like to, you can place your code yourself or share it to your developer and give instruction to them. Third way, let's use the Google Tag Manager to install our Google Tag code using measurement ID. Let's create a new tag. Name as GA4 tag. And then select Tag Configuration and choose GA4 configuration. Now, let's copy and paste our measurement ID into this tag. Go to Analytics tool, copy this measurement ID. And paste it into this field. After that, let's add a trigger. Click Trigger, then select All Pages Trigger so that our GA4 tag is added to all of the pages on our website. Now we can save the tag. And click Submit and publish it, then click Continue. Once it published, you can see our GA4 name on these tags. This means, we now successfully installed our GA4 tag on Google Tag Manager. Alright, finally, we have installed the Google Tag code in 3 ways. So, in these steps, you can upgrade to GA4. Remember, when you upgrade your new GA4 property won't collect historical data. I hope this video is helpful and informative. Please like, comment, share with friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.